been through a lot. You know that. We've been through ups, we've been through downs and downs and downs, and then we're still here together. As we are all saying, this ceremony that we're doing now is long overdue. It just shows that we are really serious with each other, and we are here for each other no matter what. No matter what happens, even before, from now on, we're here for each other. I'm here for you. I don't care what others say. I'm very thankful, not only to you and to your whole family, for giving me another chance to prove what kind of man I am. And I really thank you for that. I'll take care of you, Erin, Dash, and all of us, because I love you.
I promise to be more patient, more forgiving, and to keep myself open to you and let you into my feelings, fears, and secrets and dreams. I promise to be beside you each and every time, even if everyone lets you down. I'll still be here. I will be with you to help and support you every step of your way. I'll be here to guide you, and I promise to love you in good times and bad. With all I have to give and all I am, in every way I know. And this is to love you forever.
Masasabi ko kay Poms and Paul. So, congrats and best wishes sa inyong dalawa. In times of parang trouble sa relationship nyo, think of the times that you were both in love to each other. Yung mga times na medyo shattered na yung relationship, yung song na Way Back Into Love, ang pinaka-message ko sa inyo. All I wanna do is find a way back into love.
Thank you for being his wife. Thank you kasi aalagaan, iintindihin. Thank you sa lahat ng guests na pumunta para i-celebrate yung occasion nilang dalawa ngayon. So, to Poms and Paul, guys, may you have a blessed wonderful and very happy married life. Cheers!
Nagkaroon ako ng mga anak na lalaki dahil sa mga anak ko. Lahat ng mga anak ko ng lalaki na talagang itinuring kong mga anak talaga. Pakamahalin mo si Popo. Kailangan magandang pagsasama. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Paul and Poms, on your wedding day, I am overcome with so much happiness and gratitude. Thank you for deciding to have your union be blessed with God's grace. Paul, promise that you will take care of your family. Poms, now your wife.
Kayo ay pinag-isa ng Diyos at walang ibang makapag-iwalay sa inyo kundi ang Diyos lang. Ni kahit sino ay wala. I pray na sana mas pagbutihin niyo pa ang pagsasama niyo. Ngayon na kayo ay talagang legal husband and wife.